9.04. So this is the scramble 9.04 full step single. So in this scramble I predicted two pairs in the inspection. So I made a white cross. My cross pieces are here, 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 and here. So I did F and insert this piece first, and then this piece, and then this piece, and D2. So I inspect this pair in this section. So I do U R U R prime to make this pair. So before I make insert this pair, I inserted this pair and do a rotation, and this pair I inserted in the back, and this pair also breaks to insert it in the back, so I inserted in the back, and this, and L U L prime U L U L prime, and easy OLL, and GC pump PLL. So this is the 53 move solution with 5.86 TPS.